Have you ever noticed how easy it is to spend an entire day consuming things without even realizing it? You wake up, check your phone, watch a couple of YouTube videos, scroll Instagram maybe, and open TikTok for just 5 minutes. And before you know it, somehow the whole day is gone. The weird part is that you were busy the entire time, but when you look back, it doesn't really feel like you did anything. I have had days like that too, and honestly, they always leave me with the same feeling. It's not guilt exactly, it's more like this quiet frustration, because my brain was constantly entertained, but nothing actually changed. Then I started noticing something interesting. Whenever I spent even 1 hour creating something instead of consuming something, I went to bed feeling completely different, guys. It didn't matter whether the thing I made was good or bad, whether anyone saw it, or whether it completely failed. The feeling was always the same because I had taken something that didn't exist in the morning and brought it into the world by the evening. That could be a video, a business idea, a design, a page of writing, a website, or even a terrible version of something that would probably never see the light of the day. It wasn't about the result, it was about the fact that I had created instead of consumed. And I think that's something we don't talk about enough. We're surrounded by incredible creators. Every day we watch amazing videos, listen to podcasts, read books, admire companies, apps, brands and products that other people build. And it's easy to forget that every single one of those things started as an unfinished idea sitting in someone's head. None of them appeared fully finished. Somebody just decided to start. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to build in public, because I don't want my life to become a collection of things I watched. I want it to become a collection of things I actually tried to make. So, will most of my ideas, for example, fail? Probably, guys. Will I build products that nobody buys? Almost certainly. Will I make the videos that barely get any views? I'm sure I will, guys. But for some reason that sounds much more exciting to me than spending another year only watching other people create. I think that's why building things is so addictive. It's not because you're guaranteed success, it's definitely not because every project becomes profitable. It's because every time you create something, you're proving to yourself, first of all yourself, that you're capable of changing your own reality instead of just observing someone else's. And honestly, that's a pretty cool feeling. So this channel isn't really about digital businesses, even though that's what I'm building right now. It's about taking ideas that only exist in my head and seeing what happens when I actually try to turn them into something real. Some of them will work, most of them probably won't, but I would rather spend my time finding that out than wondering what could have happened if I had never started. If you have been thinking about creating something yourself, whether it's a business, a YouTube channel, an app, a piece of art, or literally anything else, maybe this is your sign to stop waiting for the perfect moment and just make the first version. It probably won't be great, mine won't be either, but creating something imperfect is still a lot more fun than spending another day only consuming what everyone else has already made. And if that sounds like the kind of journey you would like to watch, I would be happy to have you here, guys. See you soon in the next videos.